Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Reggae artist Chronixx is currently on his Chronology World Tour, which recently wrapped the African leg. Following his performance yesterday at the National Stadium in Bermuda, Chronixx is slated to perform at venues in Montreal, Canada this weekend. Meanwhile, the reggae singer recently released his new video for Skanking Suite from his Grammy-nominated album Chronology. Directed by Storm Salter, the video captures the pure joy that reggae music can bring to the world as the characters in the video dance and smile to the infectious sounds of reggae. Chronixx makes an appearance towards the end of the video, journeying through the lush vegetation alongside the aforementioned characters. Chronology peaked at #1 on Billboard's reggae albums chart following its release in July of last year. This year's 56th Independence celebrations is being held under the theme One Love, One Family. One of the highlight events on the Independence calendar is the JCDC Festival Queen Competition, which was held last night at the National Arena. 13 beauties from all 14 parishes vied for the title, but at the end of the night, Miss St. Mary's Akira Gawi emerged the winner. She also won the sectional prizes for most poised and most culturally aware. First runner-up went to Shante Grant of Hanover, and the second runner-up to Kristen Douglas from St. James, who was also voted most congenial. Lanika Roden from Kingston and St. Andrew won most active in her community. The most popular on social media, Kimon Rose of Clarendon, and best performance went to Jessica Hartley of Portland. Additional entertainment came from reggae songstress Etana and Festival Song for 2018 winner Nasuman. Songstress Lila Ike demonstrates more of her vocal range on her latest single, Second Chance. Laid over a track built from a sample of Dennis Brown's Promised Land, the singer shed some of her ragamuffin vibe to perform the love song with soothing vocals. Lila Ike recently debuted abstract visuals for the song, which showcases her vibing in open spaces, crooning about heartbreak whilst asking for a second chance. Second Chance, currently available on all digital platforms, is a collaborative release from reggae star Protoge's Indignation Collective and Delicious of Vinyl Island.
Show you how much I adore you, babe.
Popcaan's sophomore album Forever debuted at #2 on the Billboard Reggae Albums chart this week. Popcaan missed out on the #1 spot, which went to California band Slightly Stoopid with their album Everyday Life, Everyday People. Released on July 20 via Mixpac Records, Forever sold 1,484 copies in the first week. Elsewhere on the reggae chart, Sting and Shaggy's collaborative effort 44876 is at #4, while Etana slips to #6 with her album Reggae Forever. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.